Hello shoppers and viewers, we've been at home for a while and we need a haircut, so we've picked up this Conair home hair cutting kit model HC244GB. This one has an 18-piece set. It has a powerful magnetic motor, self-sharpening stainless steel blades, taper control, 45 total settings, and it should be everything we need to actually get a haircut. And it also comes with a 2-year warranty. Hopefully we won't need it. And let's actually look through the box. We found it to be very affordable. And if you look at the set, it includes barber clipper, barber scissors, 8 guide combs, 2 styling clips, barber comb. Also includes the barber cape, cleaning brush and oil, blade guard, and a storage case. So it looks pretty complete. Now let's actually look on the side. Not much else here, so we'll just rotate to the bottom. And the model number is actually HC244NGBV. And here's a look at the UPC code in case you're looking for this item. We found it to be pretty affordable, and let's open it up and see what's included. Alright, so we're pulling this out and we see the case that comes included. Nice black case, big Conair logo, and feels solid. Let's open this up. Let's see how we do it. We need to move the tabs over there, and there you go. Alright, so now we see a cape on the left, and let me just take that out, show you. It's nicely wrapped. We'll not spread it out right away, but we'll just leave it on the side. Here we have all the guide combs, and it looks like there are probably 8 in here. So it looks complete. And see what else we have. The power cord, and it tells you you need to oil the blades before use and need to keep the blades oiled. Alright, good to know. Keep that in mind. And the electrical cord seems somewhat long. Not sure if it's going to be long enough for what we need. Here's the Conair clipper, nicely protected. We'll put that aside for now. And you can see we can move that. And on the side, it notes that you need to adjust the power screw. Check the instruction book before use. And nice barber comb. And they give you everything in here that you might need. You have the 2 styling clips. You have your cleaning brush. You have the lubricant oil, and it tells you it's actually mineral oil. Do not swallow, okay? And you also have the barber scissors in here. So very complete. Basically everything you might need. Nice and small, but that's probably all you need. And let's put that aside and see what else is in here. You have the manual. It's a hair cutting kit. Hopefully it gives you some instructions on how to do it if you have not done the work before. And probably a good read. Here it says HC244GB. So that's all that was included. Now let's actually take a look at the clipper. And it feels very lightweight. Let me remove the plastic cover on it. And looks professional. Feels lightweight. Let me remove this protective piece. It looks reasonably good. I can feel that the grip is reasonably good. And extension cord might still be needed depending how far you are from the wall, but that's a small cost. So there you have it, the Conair home hair cutting kit. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.